Hi everybody, in this video we are going to see an app which uses our Android phone's camera, and it also gives an additional feature which gives the GPS location of the photo that you are taking. So it will be very helpful for the people who go on tour, find new places where they can click a photo which gives the coordinates along with it, and they can share with their friends, so that any of the friends who want to travel to that place can have the Google Maps link with the coordinates. So let's jump into that app and let's see how it works. So this is how the app looks like. You have to keep your GPS location on. So automatically it gets the information at the bottom of this screen. The first one on the top left side, we have a bubble symbol where if you click on that, they have two options over here. One is automatic assign latitude or longitude, or the second one, if you click on that, you can select the exact latitude and longitude. So keeping the first one will be much more convenient. We'll click on the back, and the second option is how it has to show the information below the image, like whether you want the map image that you are seeing at the bottom. First one is map image, and then the latitude and longitude information, and the third one is weather report. So like this, they have given a lot of options, whether you want map, both, and weather, and map plus address. So if you select on that, see, if I'm selecting the second information, the bottom of the image is changing the information. Map and address, it's changing. Map, latitude, longitude is changing. Map plus both, and then only address, latitude and longitude only, both the information. So let's have the default one. So this, like this, you can have the format. If you go to the color, you can set the color based on your need. So I'm not going to disturb that. So this is the format that we are going to get below that photo. And then the third option at the top is looks like a file image. So if you click on that, they are giving the information about like how the file is going to be saved. So they are, by default, they are giving the date format, and then the time, and then a map with JPEG information. So if you want, you can click on that custom name, so where you will be able to give the name according to that. Or if you want, you can have numbering system, and then if you want, you can also know the day that you are using. If I click on week, here at the top near the date, you will be able to see that Sunday, like that. If you want, you can have it. And if you want the date format, or the time format to be in 12 hours or 24 hours, you can click on this 24, so that you'll be having that time format. And custom name, the second one, if you want to add the information next to that time, we can have that address, and then latitude and longitude, and then the custom name at the last. So like this, they have given a lot of options to save the file format. So I'm not going to disturb the default format. Let's go back, and the last option, the top right side, you have a folder option where you have a default folder location, new, old, and pictures or video from camera, picture folder, or you can have it in the phone. So I'm not going to disturb this. Okay, let me check. Okay, this is the default location. And now, so if I see, look at this, it's automatically giving the information and it's not giving the coordinates. So let me go and check on the second option, which gives the coordinates. Okay, now it's giving the coordinates. And bottom left side we have three dots. If you click on that, you will be able to get the My Apps category, More Apps, Rating, Upgrade, About, everything. So let's look at it at last. And the second one is the image viewer that you have clicked, and the center button is the camera option. So if you click on that, it automatically clicks and starts saving the information. And the next one is the gear settings, which gives the settings information, whether you want the choice of the camera is a front or back camera. If I select that, you will be able to see that face back camera, face front camera. And then you have a lot of options over here, like the picture size. You can have any number of size that you want. Okay, and then the GPS use. It's a good GPS location. So disable GPS, good GPS location, roughly GPS location. So you can take that second option, good GPS location. And when go for map type, you have normal, satellite, terrain, hybrid. So whatever that you want, you can select. And then the next one is the down arrow, where you will be able to minimize that options. So after clicking on that camera icon, it's processing, and now this is where we are going to see. From here, if you click on that share button at the top side, here it shows three options: share photos and POI locate text. Share photos only, share POI text only. So the next two options, the second one and third one, people who need, they can use it. But my suggestion is, why we choose this app is we need to show the photo as well as the information where it is located, the latitude and longitude information. So when you share, click on that first option, share, select, and click on send. So now we are able to see that image. Where if you click on that image, you will be able to see that photo directly, where the information is embedded on that, where the latitude and longitude is not clickable. But below that, you have a separate set of information with the link Google Maps. So I'm going to click on that first link, and it's going to ask for the app that we want to use. I click on that maps. Automatically that latitude and longitude will take to your exact location where you need, and the map is getting loaded. Very good. Now it's showing, and once you click on the direction, you can choose your location, and the destination is going to be the location that we got from the photo. And from there you can navigate and go to the place that you want. So this is how it works, and keep using this app, make use of it, and it's really very helpful. Keep using this, and have a great day. Thank you.